Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy Maths. Learn Easy Maths channel already I have just introduced before you in my previous video by discussing with you about introduction to the number system. Okay, today we are again in the process of a new topic. The topic name is prime numbers. It's a very interesting topic. Prime number is such a great mystery in the world of mathematics. I repeat it, that it is a great mystery in the world of mathematics and in the number. Okay, and in our next video, means in this video now you are going to just come to know about what is that mystery about the prime number. Let's start with the prime number. First, we look into the definition. What is a prime number? What is a prime number? So generally I would say that a prime number are the numbers which are having only two factors. Only two factors. And there is some specific definition about the prime number is, what is that specific? You might be surprising. That any number which has only two factors, not one or not three. Any numbers which have only two factors, that is the same number and one. Same number and one. Such a type of numbers are called prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which has two factors, one and itself also. That is 1 and itself means 2. 2 is a prime number, its factors are 2, 1 and 2. 3 is a prime number, its factors are 2, 1 and 3. 5, 1 and 5. 7, 1 and 7. 11, 1 and 11. 13, 1 and 13. These are only the two factors. There is no chance of getting any three factors or no chance of reducing to the one factor. Such a type of numbers are called prime numbers. What is 1? What is 1? 1 is neither prime nor it is a composite. What is a composite? I told these are the prime numbers. Okay, these are the prime numbers. What are the composite numbers? Here I am going to define the composite number in its inverse way, in the opposite way. What is that? Composite numbers are the numbers which have composite numbers are the numbers which have more than three or more than three factors. Composite numbers are the numbers which are more than three or three factors. They should have it. For example, 2. What are the factors of 2? 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. What do you mean by factor? Let's you understand clearly. Factor means a number which divides the given number completely. That means here there are three factors for this 4. When you divide each the factor to the 4, what is the answer? You get the remainder 0. 1 4s are 4, 0. 2 2s are 4, 0. 4 1s are 4, 0. Do you understand? This is called a factor. Means we divide the given number completely, leaving the remainder as 0. Then it becomes a factor. Otherwise, if it does not divide completely, not leaving the remainder 0, that is not a factor. For example, I will say that is 4 factor of 6? Let's test it. 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. No, 4 is not a factor of 6, because when you divide the 4 to 6, it leaves the remainder non-zero, that is equal to 2. We say that it is not a factor. And this 1, 2, 4, they are all called factors. Okay, you understand this much clearly, that what is a factor. Here we are in the process of the definition of the composite numbers. Composite numbers means a numbers which has 3 or more than 3 factors. They are called composite number. Okay, then you just come to the 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. I told no, 3 or more than 3. See, here we have 4 factors. Similarly, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Again we have 4 factors. So it makes very categorically, very clearly difference between the prime number and the composite number. Prime numbers means only 2 factors. That too, one is the common to all and the same number itself. If it is a 2, 1 and 2. If it is a 3, 1 and 3. If it is a 5, 1 and 5. And if it is 13, 1 and 13. Okay. Now, I told you in the beginning of my video what. Do you remember that it is a very mysterious type of number? Why we call it is a mysterious type of number? I will say, just follow me. Because when we write the prime number, let's see its sequential form. Sequence, its order. First prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, okay, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, and 48 is not a prime, it's a composite. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, then 83, 89. When you come to 89, just check it out. After 89, 90. Yes, 3 30s are, 45 2s are, then what it is, 9 10s are. There are so many factors you get. That's why it's not a prime, it's only a composite. Similarly, 91 is not a prime because 13 7s are 91. Similarly, then 92 is not a prime, 93 is not a prime, 94, 95, 96, etc. 97 is the last 2-digit prime number, and the 2 is the first single-digit prime number. Okay, count it. How many prime numbers we have listed out between 1 to 100? Okay, viewers, 1 to 100. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There are total 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Do you remember? Just understand clearly. There are only 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Then come to that statement, what I said in the beginning of my video, that it is a mystery. What is the mystery? See the order. The difference between 3 and 2 is 1, 3 and 5 is 2, 5 and 7 is 2, 7 and 11 is 4, and again 2, and again 4, and again 2. Alright. Then what this is difference is a 6, it's a 2, and it's a 6. And what else it is? How much it is? And it is 4, and this is 2, and this is 4, and I think this is a 6, and this is 6. I am giving the difference between the two prime numbers, and it is also 6, it is also 4, it is a 2, and it's 6, and it is how much it is? 4, and it is 6, and it is I think it's going to be how much it is? It's 8. The difference between is 8. Do you understand? See that there is no order. I told you it is a non-sequential. Sequence means what? A numbers or a group of numbers which follow some order. Here is no order, but there is one sure thing. We can say that the difference are mostly, there is only one difference, that is between the first two prime numbers, that is 3 and 2. The rest of these things have been repeatedly, just like in statistics how we get the repeated numbers in the form of a mode, M-O-D-E, same here. 2, 2 is repeated, 4 repeated, 4 repeated, again 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. It kept on repeating, isn't it? So this is the mystery, and it is a wonderful thing. You can observe it. See the order. 2 is the first prime number, 3 is the first prime number. The difference between the 3 and 2 is 1. and 3 is the second prime number, and 5 is the third prime number. The difference between the third and second is 2, and the fourth and third is 2, and again the fifth and fourth is again 4, like this. So this is the beauty of the prime number. I would say that 1 is a very unique. It is very special, very unique, and very magical, and also very, very omniscient and omnipotent digit. What? That is 1. Except to other than 1, if you see that the existence of the all numbers are only prime, they are not any other numbers. I repeat my word. The whole number system, when you go and when you just inspect it, introspect it, you will find that when you check it, you will find that the existence of the numbers are only prime numbers. The other numbers they are all formed number. They are all created number with the help of prime numbers. I will come to you know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just look at this pattern. Are you able to see this pattern? What was my statement? I repeat, there are no other existence of the number but only the prime. If you just take all numbers are prime only. What about the composite number? Composite numbers are created or formed, or they have been introduced with the help of the prime numbers. I'll say that. It is unique. It has no match. Okay. It is unprecedented number. 2 is a prime. 3 is a prime. 4 is what? 2 into 2. So there are multiplication of the same prime number. When you multiply 2 with 2, it's a prime number only. Actually, this is the existence of the 4. When you factorize it, you get the prime only. Then 5 is a prime. 6, composite number. When you factorize, again you get the factors as 3 and 2 is a prime. 8, when you factorize it, you get 2 into 2 into 2, again it's a prime. 9, when you factorize it, 3 into 3, and 10, 2 into 5. My question to you, can you just say that you are going to introduce a composite number? When you factorize, you will not get prime, but you get only the composite number. One question. Or when you factorize a composite number, you get prime along with a composite number. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. That's why I told you, even a composite number is also the factors of what? A prime number. So I would say that our number world, in our number world, the existence of only one thing. What is that? Prime only. There is no other numbers. Prime only. It is a hidden prime because composite, when we factorize, again it's a factors of prime. It is a composite, when you factorize, again it is a factor of prime. So these are these things. Now just today is a very advanced and YouTube era, you will find a plenty and also a number of, like just the flood water is flooding. No, everyone is teaching the mathematics, everyone is talking about each and every number with their different languages. I am very happy that today we are all flourishing and we are all exploring in the ocean of the knowledge. But the thing is that we have to take care about it, that whatever the knowledge we are going to impart, whatever the knowledge we are going to just inculcate, that should be a very appealing, and also it should be a very logical reasoning. That's why I am saying this one means, what is the test to check whether this number is a prime or not? What is the test of a prime number? As you know that, you know what is even number? Number which is divisible by 2, or number which is a multiple of 2 is a prime number. What is a odd number? A number which is not divisible by 2. A number on dividing with the 2, the remainder will be always 1. Such type of numbers are called odd numbers. Thus we are very easy to test the odd number and a prime number, because odd numbers are not divisible by 2. When we divide, we get only remainder 1. and the even number, it is divisible by 2. When we divide, we get the remainder 0. So this remainder is 0 and this remainder is 1 when on dividing. So we can say easily that it is a even number or a odd number. Now my question to you, do you have any special test in testing the prime number? The thing is that you might have come across, there are many videos whose subscribers, whose subscription level and quantity is in millions, but hardly I could find it. Viewers, please take care of this, take a note of this my sentence. I hardly find this. The tests are very low, that no one has just put this test before the audience. What I am going to just tell the test now. What? Take a 2-digit prime number. My condition is 2-digit, not 1-digit. Because how many 1-digit prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7. There are only 4 1-digit prime numbers. So my condition is that start with the 2-digit prime number. Alright. And divide this number with 6 only. The condition is that divide each prime number with 6. I hope you are all following. Taking a 2-digit prime number and dividing with 6. On dividing with 6, first test it. What? 6 divides 11. 6 ones are 6. What is the remainder? Plus 5. 6 divides 11. I divide 6 twos are 12. What is the extra number to this 11? Minus 1. Can you see that one? Actually my division is second one not correct, because 6 twos are 12. I can't divide because my dividend is less than what the number which I have divided, isn't it? But do you find it that it is only extra 1? It is extra 1. If I subtract 11 minus 12, it is minus 1. If I subtract 11 minus 6, it is a plus 5. So on dividing a 2-digit prime number with the 6, either you get plus 5 or minus 1. That type of numbers are surely, certainly you can say that it is a prime number. Coming to the next 23, coming to the next 29. These are the two confirmed prime numbers, because already we have listed and everybody knows that what are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. See that one. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Okay, because 18 is less than 23. When I subtract 23 minus 18, I get again plus 5. Then again, you just divide 23 in a 6 in a different way. 6 fours are 24, though the division is not exactly correct. But I want to see the difference is just 1. It's a 1. So what I said, when you divide exactly, it will be a plus 5. When you divide nearly, it is a minus 1. 6 ones are 6, 11 minus 6 is plus 5, 6 twos are 12, 11 minus 12 is minus 1. 6 threes are 18, 23 minus 18 is plus 5, 6 fours are 24, 23 minus 24 is minus 1. Don't you find it is a very interesting magical test that we can able to find out whether the given number is a prime or not? The question arises in your mind, maybe this YouTube star is saying that for only the 2-digit number. What about there are, as the number world is infinite, then the prime numbers is also infinite. So what about the 2-digit number is okay? What about the 3-digit number? Let's take a test for the 3-digit number also, children. So it's my sincere appeal to almost all the viewers, whether they are teacher, they are student, they are just housemakers, whoever may be, who are interested to learn the maths. It's my sincere appeal to you all. Please do subscribe my channel and go for the subscription. There will be a bell icon. You just press the bell icon and take the notification for all videos which I upload, and you go through it, and just please share among your friends. And your comments and views are very important. When you comment it, when you give your suggestion, whether it is a positively or it is a negatively, it doesn't matter. Even negative also leads to positive things. When there are so many, there are two negative comments come, say negative into negative, minus into minus, definitely it changes to a positive one only. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share. Please do subscribe and share. Now I am going to tell you that what are the 3-digit prime numbers. 101, 103, 104, 105. Just test it. What happens? Is it a prime number? What is the test for the prime number? Divide with 6. 6 ones are 6. It's a 4. And I have carried 1 along with this 4 and it has become 41. 6 6 36. Are you able to see? And again my remainder is plus 5 as in the 2-digit number what I said you. Okay. Coming to 101, some a little bit wrong division but nearest division. I am saying that wrong division, nearest same division. 6 ones are 6, it's a 4. Sorry. Take this one. And what is the nearest? 6 sevens are 42. Isn't it 42 near to 41? 41 minus 42 is minus 1. Again there are my two remainders, either plus 5 or a minus 1. So this is the sure test that 101 is 100% prime number. You must not have any kind of doubt in your mind. Okay. Now coming to this 103. Go for this one. 6 ones are 6. And what is the difference? It's a 4. And just join the 3. When you just carry the 3 to this one, it will be 43. Now you go for that one. 6 sevens are 42 plus 1. Yes? What? The new thing has come? I told you nothing. 5 and 1 keep coming. If the remainder is plus 1 or a minus 1, surely it is a prime. If the remainder is a 5, surely it is a prime. Okay. Similarly, 6 divides 104. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6 and it is a 4 and it is also a 4. 6 sevens are 42 and the remainder is plus 2. We should have plus 1, minus 1 or plus 5 as a remainder, then only it's a prime number. What about this? This is a remainder 2. What shall we say that 104 is not a prime? Yes, definitely not a prime because its unit place contain or consist 4. Any unit digit, as you know the divisibility rule. If you are not knowing, then with that video also I am going to upload about the divisibility rule up to 25 numbers. Okay. If a unit digit contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any unit digit, either of this number it contains, then they are divisible by 2. Definitely it is divisible by 2. See that one. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So therefore it is 52 2s are 252s are. Similarly, it is divisible by 52 2s are and 252s are. So this is not a prime. So what is our test of prime? Please make a note. All the viewers, those who are watching my video, please have a paper and pen with you or take a notebook and just try to make a note point for that one, important points, and you note down it. It will help you. And also just keep watching. Mathematics is just learned by practicing. If you watch one time, just like as any Kapil Sharma comedy show, it doesn't serve your purpose. You need to watch again and again so that you can just gain the knowledge and you can just understand the things very clearly. Right? Now the test for the prime number: divide a given prime number by 6. You have to divide only 6. There is no other. Divide a given prime number by 6 and see the remainder is plus 5 or plus 1 or nearest division gives minus 1 also. As in these examples you have seen it that. Actually 41, 6 sevens are 42. 42 is nearest to the 41. On making the difference we got minus 1. And these are the correct division. There is no chance of any error in this one. So this is the test of the children and the viewers, a test of a prime number. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please keep watching and keep subscribing my videos. And very shortly I am going to take the solution for high school classes, that's like just mathematics for 10th standard. So it's my appeal to all 10th standard students, please subscribe and keep watching my channel. I am going to explain the 5 theorems of the 10th standard syllabus. Theorem number 1, Thales theorem. It has another name also, wonderful name, that is basic proportionality theorem. Theorem number 2, the area of the proportional area of the similar triangles. Theorem number 3 is a Pythagoras, and theorem number 4 and 5 based on the circles. So I am not going to prove the theorem as what it is given in the textbook. I am going to give you the concept, and I am going to give practical work on the theorem and make you understand. So do subscribe 10th standard children, wherever, whoever, and where you are listening my video and watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and be a part of this troop. Okay, bye bye, take care. I end up my video. Thank you.